Guys, so I was gonna do a whole new day in the life and document every single trade I was taking on my phase 2 account, but I already passed, so I'm just gonna show you the setup that I took to pass this challenge. But first, here's my certificate. Successfully completed the Royal Challenge phase 2. Here is the email saying welcome to your funded account. I actually took 2 different trades. First one ended up being a break even. Second one is really the one that got me the full 5% and I was done. You can see here I took 0.01 to just finish the trading days. Anyways, let's get to the actual trade I took. So this is NZD USD now. That's all I trade, NZD USD. I was expecting a higher low to be formed and then for it to keep pushing up. This is where I took the trade. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So the first trade I took was around here. I was looking at the support level all through here. I was like, let's see if price stops here. Okay, we got the rejection there. Let's go back. Once I saw the rejection off of that level and then I saw the next candle was bullish and closed above this, I took this trade at a 10 pip stop and let it play out. So I actually went in profit just a little bit. Eventually, I think it was right before bedtime. At bedtime, like I'm a little kid. It was right before I was going to sleep. So yeah, this is midnight. Right before that candle, I put my stops at break even because I was going to sleep. And if it was going to hit TP in my sleep, I was going to let it do that. But I was not going to take a loss in my sleep. Not on the first trade. So it hit break even. Cool. The next morning, around 7 o'clock, I was watching it. So price did this. I saw how price came to this level, kept rejecting. Price did not want to close below here. It was wicking, but price did not want to close. And then we got a doji here. The next candle was bearish too, but it had a lot of wick. It was not a strong bearish candle, which is further signal that, okay, we still might reject this level. The next candle was bullish, and I love this pattern. This right here by itself is engulfing, but this bearish, doji, bearish, and then an engulfing right after that actually happens a lot. That's a good signal, other confluences, that we're going to start heading in the right direction. Down to the 15. So I saw this happening. Price was just descending. It was very corrective towards this level. It wasn't like, oops, my bad.
What is happening?
Okay, we're back. Price was very corrective towards this level. It wasn't like we had a break of this level, a retest and keep going down, or like a break and then hovering under it to keep heading down. That was showing that the bears weren't that strong. That's just how I view it. That's how I look at it. When I saw this candle and then this next bullish candle that closed above this level, I took it. I initially went in with 1 entry, a 10 pip stop, kept moving up, and then I marked off this level. And when I saw how it retested like that, I entered in the second position. I was risking 2% because that second setup, so I only needed 2.5% in order to finish. So then price did this and I was like, should I close it? Because we're getting a rejection off of this level, but then 15-minute structure was here. 15-minute structure was broken. Might just be getting a higher low now to keep pushing up. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just hold it and let it ride. Next candle, boom. I forgot news was coming out. So I just let it ride. It hit. So yeah, that's how I finished this challenge. Oh, I gotta show y'all something. So this is kind of funny to me. I watch a bunch of people who trade SMC and ICT concepts. I don't watch ICT's videos, but it's funny how much you could pick up just from watching other people's videos. I was looking at this pair developed throughout the week. I was already out of these trades. The first thing I want to point out is this might look like a mess to everybody. But you know how, like, when you see those charts, like when you first started trading, price doesn't look like that. We all know that. But price does do exactly what the chart says, just in a messier way. So look right here. What's that? That's just a wedge pattern, right? Okay, so why didn't it play out and go to the upside? Because when price pushed up right here, I just did a little fake out. After I saw it falling back down, I was like, okay, where's price going? I looked to the left over here and I was like, oh, it's a little fair value gap. I wonder if it's just gonna stop right here, tap into the fair value gap and go. And look what it did. It tapped in perfectly. And then now look at where price is. So I don't trade ICT or smart money concepts, but I've picked up on a couple stuff, and that's a pretty good trade right there. Look at 1 to 35. So anyway, subscribe. I'm gonna be documenting the next couple trades I take. It's a little late. I need my rest, and y'all should be getting your rest too. So go to sleep. Good night.